It's Rich here, so we're gonna do a quick unboxing of this stainless steel, cookie dough, pizza dough roller. So this is super high quality. You can tell by, how heavy and durable this is. And this one is AMPSEVEN, I believe is the brand. And look at that. So it's perfect. It's rotating, so you go to your pizza dough. This nice wooden handle, nice. This is all metal, so it's solid. This, you buy one of this, you're never gonna have to buy it again. Yeah, you can use it for pizza dough, breads, pastries. Yeah. So I've got this for pizza making. So we're gonna use it, put it to the test, but I mean, I can tell this thing is solid. Like if I drop this at this table, it'll break. That's how heavy this is, and how solid this is. So I mean, it's good because you buy it once and that's it. Yeah, so it's super easy to use and super high quality, and not much to say about it, but that's it. So if you're into pastries, breads, and pizzas, which is my favorite food, by the way, go and get yourself one of this. All right, take care, guys. I appreciate you watching. Bye.